Hi, I'm Eric Way, an ICI sales associate. I'm here today in the Outlook. I'm talking to you about our wonderful floor plan called the Brooke. It's located at 20 Spanish Creek Drive, Ponte Vedra, Florida. The Brooke is over 3,500 square feet. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home with a study and a bonus room. There are engineered floors throughout this home. Out back, we have a gorgeous extended lanai with a built-in summer kitchen. We also have outside a babbling brook. 2 staircases to go to a fire pit down at the bottom. This home is an amazing home that we'd like for you to stop by and see us. Click or call the link below and let us show you this home.